In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, Mary, an elderly woman known for her kindness and gentle spirit, lived a simple yet fulfilling life. The villagers adored her and often brought her food, shared stories, and kept her company. Mary, in return, offered them wisdom, a listening ear, and a heart full of gratitude. One crisp autumn morning, Mary decided to take a walk through the forest. The golden leaves crunched beneath her feet, and the serene atmosphere filled her with peace. As she wandered deeper into the woods, she stumbled upon something extraordinary. A large ancient pot half buried in the ground, filled to the brim with glittering gold coins. Her face lit up with astonishment. She had never seen so much wealth in her life. Visions of a luxurious life flashed before her eyes. A grand home, fine clothes, and endless comforts. But as she tried to lift the pot, she realized it was far too heavy to carry. Undeterred, Mary's resourcefulness kicked in. She gathered some wooden planks and vines from the forest and built a makeshift slide to drag the pot home. As she began pulling the pot, something strange happened. The gold coins started to change. At first, the coins turned from gold to silver. Mary paused, feeling a pang of disappointment, but she reassured herself that silver was still valuable. She continued dragging the pot, but the coins transformed again, this time into iron. Her heart sank and a deep sense of despair washed over her. The treasure she had dreamed of was slipping away. Sitting by the pot, Mary took a moment to reflect. She thought about her life before finding the pot, her cozy home, the kindness of her neighbors, and the joy she felt when helping others. She realized that her true happiness didn't come from wealth or material possessions. It came from the love and gratitude she shared with those around her. With a serene smile, Mary decided to leave the pot in the forest. She returned to the village, content with her simple life. That evening, as she sat by her fireplace, she felt a warmth in her heart. She had learned a valuable lesson. True happiness comes from within, not from external treasures. From that day on, Mary continued to live her life with gratitude and kindness, helping her neighbors and cherishing the love they gave in return. She became a beacon of wisdom in the village, teaching everyone that inner contentment is more valuable than any treasure.